Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Quaker protein pancakes. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of Quaker protein instant oatmeal, 1/2 cup of your preferred milk, and 1 large egg. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of baking powder to help them rise, and a dash of vanilla extract for that extra touch of flavor. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get that batter mixed. In a medium bowl, combine your Quaker protein instant oatmeal, milk, egg, and baking powder. Stir in the vanilla extract. Whisk everything together until the batter is mostly smooth, but don't overmix. A few small lumps are perfectly fine. Let the batter rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the oatmeal to hydrate and the baking powder to activate, ensuring fluffy pancakes. It's time to cook those pancakes. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on the first side, or until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Then, carefully flip them over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown and cooked through. Perfect. Your delicious Quaker protein pancakes are ready. Serve them immediately with your favorite toppings. Classic choices like fresh berries and a drizzle of maple syrup are always a hit. For an extra protein boost, consider adding a dollop of Greek yogurt or a sprinkle of nuts. These pancakes are a fantastic way to start your day with a satisfying and nutritious meal. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.